The biggest, most powerful trees in the woods is the oak tree, right? Oak trees are able to expand their canopy to about 1/3 the size of the root depth. So what they do in the wintertime in the early spring is those roots start going down. Those roots go down further. Those roots go down wider under the ground. And when spring comes, man, you start to see those beautiful leaves pop out, those little acorns pop out, and you start to see the outward expression of the inward growth that's been going on all winter and all early spring. That's what we're doing right now, guys, as a team. We're sinking our roots deep. We're building out new technology. We're improving our servicing retention platform and systems. We have, 400 new team members, sales folks that are coming on. You know what that means? We're training people up on what they need to do so that when this spring comes, the industry, the nation will feel the breadth and expanse of the growth that's been going on all winter. Every one of y'all, you want to grow personally, you want to grow your influence, grow your capabilities, grow who you are, grow your character, and over time, people will feel and experience that. We will only be able to grow the organization as broad as we will go deep to support that. So I want to encourage every one of you, right now, while you might not be seeing the record volume or seeing the weight of the work that we know we're going to experience in the spring and summer, be preparing yourselves, be preparing one another, and look forward to that day, man, when those loans start coming in and we start bearing the fruit of the growth that's going on right now. And why? Why? Man, it's because we want to make an impact.